welcome to our STEAM club. It's me, Miss Angie, and today we're going to talk about refraction. But what is refraction? Refraction is the bending of the light, and this occurs when the light travels from one medium to another medium. So, we are going to do an experiment to see how this happens. So, let's gonna check the materials. Okay guys, the materials that we need for our experiment today are easy, and we need a glass, can be a cup or can be a jar, but has to be glass. We need some water, and we need some marker and some sheets of paper. Okay, and remember our paper towel just in case that we make a mess. Let's gonna start with our experiment. Okay guys, now I have my two arrows here, you see. Okay, so one in the top, one in the bottom, and both arrows in the same direction. Okay, so now our second step is we're gonna fill this glass of water. Okay, so just I'm gonna fill half of the glass, and okay, like this. Okay, just I'm gonna fill here, okay. Now, and slowly I'm gonna put this sheet of paper behind of the glass. But what do you think is going to happen with my arrows? Do you think my arrows will be bigger, or the arrows will be smaller, or the arrows are going to disappear? So we don't know, let's gonna check. But I want that you look through the glass. Okay, so slowly I'm gonna put this sheet of paper here behind of the glass of water, and I want that you tell me what is going to happen with the arrows. Okay, what did you see? Did you see any change? Something changed? And I'm gonna here put this paper here again, and slowly I'm gonna put down sheet of paper here, and tell me, you see any difference? Okay, so what's happening? So this arrow, the arrow which is in the top is pointed to my left side, and the arrow which is in the bottom is pointing to my right side. But if you see, when we draw the arrows to the same direction. And you are thinking, but how, Miss Angie, this is happening? So this is the refraction. So remember that I told you that the refraction is the bending of the light. So that this occurs when the light travels from one medium to another medium. So I'm gonna show you here. So in this case, I'm gonna put this paper here behind here. In this case, you are not going to see the arrows through the water, but I want to show you how this happens. And this happens in 3 points. Okay, the first point is when the light travels through the air. Why? Because it's from here where I have the sheet of paper to the glass. So in this distance, from the paper to the glass is the first medium, that is through the air. The second medium is when the light travels in the water. Okay, through the water, what is the refraction that we see here in the water, sorry. And the third medium is when you look through the glass. So that is the reason, as a result, you can see how the arrow is pointing to the other direction. Okay, guys? So now we know how the refraction works, I would like that you try this experiment at home, and also we did this experiment with a rounded jar, but I want that you try do it. In this case I have this, and what shape is this one? It's a square. So you are going to do the same, exactly the same, but try with other kind of shape of the glass, and let's see if the result is the same. Okay guys, so see you next time. Bye bye.